All right, let's call Kiefer and see what he has to say about this. Yo.
What's up?
Dude, I need a second opinion.
You need to come out here.
I'm getting ready to, but I need to make a choice first. All right. Should I pay you your $50 today?
I already told
Or should I go to Harbor Freight and buy a Predator motor and disappoint my whole family?
Just go buy a Predator motor.
All right, thanks. You're on YouTube. All right, see you in a bit.
I'm working on. We're about ready to rip right now.
All right, well, it might take me about an hour to switch out my stuff, but we'll get her.
Jack asked if that's hard to say. Just get the gas can, dude, and hurry up so we can ride before dark.
If Jack was stuck on a horse, would you help Jack off a horse?
What?
I said if Jack was stuck on a horse, would you help Jack off a horse?
I would.
All right, so it looks like I'm going to Harbor Freight to go pick up a motor and see what we can get into, I suppose. I'm gonna have to do a whole engine swap tonight if I want to do any ripping, but that's all right. We got a little bit of time, so I'll see you at Harbor Freight.
DM.com.
So everyone has started talking about the New Year's resolution for the
Hell yeah. We got some good parking today. Ooh, we're walking. All right, even got permission to film in here, so we'll go down here and grab a Predator motor. Let's see. Ooh, we got the Predator Ghost here. We got the Predator Ghost kit. We got the 212. And if I turn it around for me.
Replacement. And here's your receipt.
All right.
Saved in the system under your number. That
Okay.
you gave me, so you don't need to hold on the receipt or anything.
All right, cool. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
All right, so we got our Predator motor. Go load her up in the truck, and we'll head her out to the farm. Damn, these things are kind of fucking heavy. Oh, my whole family is gonna be all up. Money is replaceable. Memories aren't. Remember that. Sketch down. And maybe I should go celebrate this. No. I need to quit being fucking I need to quit getting sidetracked. I need to go to the farm. I need to switch out this motor. Got the. What did I do with the warranty? Okay, I got the warranty. Got the warranty. We got it all. Hell yeah! Ah, fuck. I gotta go to Jack's house and grab his shoes and shit. Alright, cool. Alright. Now that I got my Predator motor in here, subscribe. These videos are really starting to break the bank. And my family's gonna be really impressed when they see me doing wheelies on my mini bike, let me tell you what. And it also turns out nobody's in the garage, so I guess I'm gonna go find the other mini bike and ride down to the woods and try to find everybody. I think there might be really only one way to get their attention because the mini bike's gone. What do we got here? All right, cool. Anything in there? Nope. We're gonna get their attention. Alright, this ought to be a good wake up, get everybody down here. Alright, check this out. Turn the safety on, alright? We'll get everybody up here pretty quick. Ready? I'm here! Got him.
2 hours later.
Oh, there they are. see what the old cat drug in. No, fuck, bud. I figured it out. Yeah, brother.
You got her locked in there, dude. All you need is a little bit of more Ugga-Duggas.
No adapters. If you put an extension on an impact, you probably won't be able to get the lug nuts.
Alright. That off. Pull off all these deals.
That just comes off as one. We're going to take your.
These are
Can
all
we use
cabinets
this?
too, aren't they? No, that's. Attorney want to pull my license.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you might want to start draining gas. Get a can around here.
Shut off.
Where's the pincher? You don't know where any of your pinchers are either. Huh?
Gun charge though.
You don't even do that yet. Your tank's not separate than the motor.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it'll
Well,
all
but
come
it's
off.
connected. I gotta take the
Yeah, but you can
BM22.
like set it outside.
Yeah, you can do take the carburetor off after. Or you take your throttle cable off and then take the motor out.
But I don't know where those pinchers went. I bought 4 of them, all of them. Unless there's one in that toolbox over there with the mini part parts on.
What am
I
I?
couldn't find it.
What am I gonna have to do? I'm gonna have to fucking take the muffler off the governor, wire it, open.
You can just zip tie it for now.
Yeah, I can zip tie it.
Is that how this one is?
Just keep going.
Yeah.
We can unbox this right now if you're not hooked up to.
I gotta
Oh, you
unbox
wanna
it
unbox
for
it
the
on
video,
film?
but
Alright, well, I mean, how many
just chill
Predators
out.
do we have unboxed?
Dude, at one time I had a castle of Predator
Yeah.
boxes in here.
All right, so now I need those 2 wrenches to actually pull the out. Besides this.
The throttle cable off. Oh, that's what you're doing. Yeah, Jack, here's that.
Other slide. Well, like he said, his buddy took it to his house.
And this one's got a really nice main jet and everything, and chain put into it.
Oh.
He bought aftermarket shit for it.
Maybe that's what I know. If his buddy can't get it running, I'll try that.
And Cyrus has been, he wrecked his and hasn't touched it since.
All right, now we took off the goddamn deal here.
The deal.
The goddamn deal, throttle cable out of the
If you
Makuni.
will make it happen.
Fuel make it happier. Yep. Fuel makes it happier. Now, we're gonna start tearing into this son of a bitch and start installing it on the old bike. Go for it.
If you got a knife, it'd probably be better.
Is that a lighter?
Yeah. Stanley stiletto we pulled.
Fucking Stanley stiletto. You ever fucking just stab a fucking Stanley stiletto? Alright. So, what we got here is the manual. We don't fucking need that. This is for taking out your spark plug. Got a whole fucking drawer of them. I'll pick that up. Oh. Alright, there it is.
And then he had these girl sunglasses on with these points like on that video. He's like, you want to cut out safety side.
Yeah.
You gotta cut that out.
I will.
Yeah, he will. He's not gonna play a bunch of bullshit, right? I hope. And your hose,
You always gotta.
your fuel line. Yeah, don't worry about it. You can just pull it off here because you're gonna plug your new one, off your bike into that. Right? Are you using the aftermarket one on yours?
No.
Oh, that's the overflow
Or
anyway.
you're like needing one. Fine.
Goddamn.
Ouch.
Watch the camera. My cankles.
Okay. You gotta take all of this shit off. This bolt. That bolt.
8.
That's an 8, that's 10.
Nice.
Let him know.
We have the warranty for
He doesn't have to take all that mechanic on the top.
Yeah.
Right? There's no way to save it all in one piece though.
No,
You gotta
it's
take
all
this
gonna
off.
Oh yeah, you don't need that. Is
Yeah.
that on your old one?
No.
So we got it.
He's got a slide car.
Wish I had another one. Put on it. Pieces in there.
Oh, God, no, don't do that, Ryan.
What?
Don't just go throwing nuts.
Yeah, we need to
Try to keep it together because we could use one of them.
Oh.
Yeah, those are handy. All them little pieces will be.
Yeah, I might have to go back. I might have to put that on
Well,
my
I'm gonna
fender
need that
'cause-
one. So you're ground. All right, we got this.
Where was this one at?
That one was right there.
Just put it back in.
Code. No traction.
Now we're We got the rabbit on the grill. We got the fucking ribeye on the grill. Son of a bitch. We were fucking Pilsner Bill with some beer. Ooh, boy. So we got her all put together. She's running. Took her for a quick little rip. She's sounding good, running great. Now I'm just cracked open a beer. Sorry I didn't film it all. It's all good. We're gonna catch up tomorrow and we're gonna hit some trails and I'll see you guys there.